Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Audi Q3 tire pressure light. First, ensure all 4 tires are inflated to their correct pressure. You can find this recommended pressure on a sticker located inside your driver's side door jamb. It's best to check tire pressure when the tires are cold to get the most accurate reading. This crucial first step ensures the system has a proper baseline. Next, turn on your Audi Q3's ignition, but do not start the engine. Locate your MMI control panel, typically found near the gear selector. Use the main MMI control knob to navigate through the menus. You'll want to find and select the Car menu option to proceed with the reset. This is where you'll access the tire pressure settings. Once in the Car menu, scroll down and select Tire Pressure Monitoring. Within this submenu, you'll see an option to store current tire pressures. Select this option. The system will then ask you to confirm your choice. Confirming will tell your Audi Q3 that the current tire pressures are the new baseline, effectively resetting the warning light. After confirming the reset, drive your Audi Q3 for a few minutes. This allows the system to recalibrate and recognize the new tire pressure settings. If the light persists, recheck all tire pressures and repeat the reset process. A continuously illuminated light might suggest a faulty sensor or a slow leak that needs professional attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.